Happy Mother's Day to you, huh? 101boxbreaks.com. Doing some Bowman Jumbo. Box number 7. Did a 2-pack random style. First time you guys seen this, there was 6 slots. I took those 6 slots and I doubled them, making 12. 1 for each pack. We're going to do a little randomization here to see who gets what pack. Then we'll open them in the same fashion I always do. We got Jason A, Chris V, Bradley R, Greg S. Look at you got Greg in there. I'm going to fix that for you just cuz. We need to be Greg, not Greg. All right. Start that again. Jason A, Chris V, Bradley R, Greg S, Chris V again. Then we start with Jason A here. Same order, Chris V, Bradley R, Greg S, Chris V. There's all 12. We're going to randomize them 3 times, guys. Good luck to you. Here we go. Here's number 1. 12 items on your list. Time stamped up, all that fun stuff. Here's number 2. There's number 2. All right, guys, we're going to do one more randomization. That's going to be our pack order. Here we go. Good luck to you. Boom. All right, so there it is. Bradley, Chris, Jason, Bradley, Greg, Chris, Greg. A lot of Chris's and Jason at the end. All right, so how we're going to do this, it's going to be pretty easy. Boom, we got a box here. We're going to crack-a-lack it. It's all nice and sealed up. This is from our boys at Blowout Cards. It's part of that case, guys. We got 1 box left in it. 1 box left of this Bowman Jumbo. I might just put it up the same way that it was. All right. So we're going to start top left. These are going to be our first 3. And then we're going to go top right. These are going to be our next 3. Bottom left. Bottom right. Empty box. Okay. Let me get these ready. Sorry, I want to have a spot to put each person's card. We're going to start with Bradley R in pack number 1. Making a little tab for Bradley. All right, Bradley, you got pack number 1. Good luck to you. Here's pack number 1 for you. Bowman Jumbo. All right, we got Mr. Ziegler. Zach Greinke. Solar. Shinso Chu. I'm getting it right. Henry Owens. Aaron Sledges. Joe Jackson. Hernandez there. Kyle Schwarber. And that's going to be Chad Pinder. White ice refractor there. Nice card. And then you got Josh Hader mini wave refractor there for Houston. Chris Stratton. Champ Stewart. Archie Bradley. Napoli. Cobb. Goldschmidt, and Kennedy. All right, so Bradley R started us off there with pack 1. Here's my Bradley R pile. And pack 2 is going to be Chris VA, and he needs a tab. After the first one, obviously, I won't need to keep writing these things, guys, so just hang in there with me at first. There's the Chris VA pile. All right, you got pack 2, Chris. Good luck to you, sir. Got Bryce Brents, Springenberg, Anthony Rizzo. The Kyle Schwarber Chrome there. All right, let's get to the fun stuff. David Dahl. Got Sean Newcomb. Sean Newcomb, top 100. And you did really good, buddy. This one will go for a pretty penny if you're looking at selling these things. Jorge Mateo, on-card blue chrome refractor prospect auto. That's pretty hot right there, Chris. 126 out of 150. Oh, very nice, sir. Very nice. As a matter of fact, we get that into a certain level of protection. Boom. I like it. Okay, we got it wrapped in plastic. Let's keep going. Mr. Dykstra. Jorge Berrios. Jason Rogers. Johnny Cueto and Daniel Norris. So not a bad pack there for Chris V for Mr. Vizance. The Chris VA pile. Here, actually, let me do some organizing here. I got my breaker sign up. These over here. Okay, out of the way. Up next, Jason A. Skid Corvettes on the chat. Now remember, even if you only bought one spot, you have 2 packs coming your way out of this break. We'll put Jason over there. And here's pack 3. Good luck to you, sir. Here we go. What's up? What's up, SA? All right, Jason A. Dalton Pompey. Daniel Cortino. Yami Garcia. Lonnie Chisenhall. And we got Nelson Gomez. Tyler De La Roche. Fernando Perez. I believe it's Perez. And Jake Bautista. Nick Gordon. Then we've got Andrew Heaney. Mini wave refractor there. Andrew Heaney. The Angels. Funky place for that to be in. Kyle Wood. Then we got Victor Alcantara. Andre Wheeler. Andre Ethier. Back-to-back Andres. Always. Alright, so there's your first pack, Jason A. Alright, and who's on pack 4? Bradley R. is on pack 4. Let me go ahead and just make the Greg ST. Okay, but we are on Bradley R with pack 4. Here we go, Bradley. Good luck to you. I don't know what this worked out to, but I think it was only like 17 or 18 bucks a spot after the deal today. Michael Taylor. Johnny Peralta. Jose Abreu. R.A. Dickey, that knuckleball. Greg Bird. And then we got this guy. Very nice. A BP 100, Chris Bryant. Ooh. What's this? Andre Wheeler, White Ice Refractor, red border. 1 out of 5. Oh, it's nasty. Oof. Wow, there's a card to grade right there. Very nice. Congratulations to you. Sean Manetta. Frank Schwindel. Hunter Dozier. Come on, what a name. Right? Cole Calhoun. Andrew McCutcheon. And that's going in the Bradley R pile. A little 1 out of 5 nastiness right there. This is a really nice card. All right, now we're on Greg. Greg ST. Here you go, Greg. Good luck to you. Here's your first pack, sir. Enes Vargas, Edwin Escobar, AJ Alvarez, Steven Moya, Tim Anderson, Trevor Gott. And then Nick Castellanos. White ice refractor there. That's a cool card too. Check this out. Little Corey Seager. Mini wave refractor for the Dodgers. Love it. Big Dodger fan, just in case you didn't know. Mad Whistler. Mad Barnes, Joey Votto, and Jacques Peterson at the back of the pack. Not a bad pack all around right there, Greg. Good luck to the next one, the next victim, Chris VA. Here you go, Chris. You're the next victim. Bowman Jumbo. Jake McGee, Fulton Ritz, Kershaw, Matt Holliday, Corey Luttrell, Trey Ball. All right, Mr. Blair Mejia, Addison Russell, and Ozeno Albiez. Pack number 6. On a roll, Chris VA. Edmundo Sosa. On card. Prospect auto. This one's non-numbered, sir. Landing them packs. There you go. Still got a few more cards coming your way. Andre Wheeler, Edmund Sosa, Justin Turner, Alcides Escobar, and that's it for your pack, sir. Your second pack, anyway. You bought half the box. We got another one for Greg coming up here, number 7 for Greg. Then we got 4 in a row. 4 in a row for Chris VA. And Jason A's got the 12 spot. Kerry Brown. Trumbo. Zach Wheeler. Aramis Ramirez. Jake Bowers. Nick Gordon, Chrome prospect there. Mr. Tapia. Rev Snyder. Miguel Sano. That's not a bad mini wave refractor right there. It's hard to get a focus on the small ones. Non-numbered. Beautiful card though. Rio Ruiz. Quintana. Toussaint. Another Quintana. That one's chrome though. Sonny Gray. Bryce Harper and Yan Gomez. So there's your cards, Greg. Bradley R is good too, and then we got 4 in a row for Chris VA. So this is going to be a Chris VA party here for a minute, and we're finishing off with Jason A in pack 12. Javi Baez, Buck Farmer, Chris Davis, Trout, Jacoby Jones, James Needy, Rodon, Julio Urias, De Leon, Mark Apple, Matt Barnes, and we got Manuel Margot. Bowman Scouts, top 100. Rafael Batista. Rob Kaminsky. Ryan Mitchell. And that's the end of that pack there, buddy. You got 3 more coming. 3 more packs coming your way, sir. Here's one of them. This is number 9, right? Pack number 9? Yeah, pack number 9. Chris VA. All right, Yelich. Udar. Adam Eaton. Adrian Gonzalez. Ty Black. Mike Yastrzemski. Then we've got Luis Severino. Mini Wave Refractor, non-numbered. Rookie Flashback Carlos Baerga. Pretty nice. Hunter Harvey. Elvis Andrus. And Evan Gattis. 2 more packs coming your way. Alright guys, little Bowman bust here. Not so bad so far, some really cool inserts, a really nice auto. Puig. This is a Chris VA pack here. Alex Verdugo. Ooh, a Chrome Chris Bryant. Not bad. Jeremy Garcia. And then Bowman Chrome Prospect Auto, Avery Romero. It's 203 out of 499. Very nice. So Chris VA snagging all the autos. Bought half the box, but snagging all the autos for sure. Alright, here's the rest of your pack. Conrad Gregor, Jose Reyes, and David Ortiz. Alright, the rest of that pack there. Last pack for you, and then Jason A's got number 12. Still one left in National Treasures, guys. Mama Day 15. Get you 15% off. Danny Salazar. Xavier Scruggs. Ian Kinsler. Nate Smith. Gareth Morgan. Toussaint. Alright, then we got AJ Cole. Mini Wave Refractor there. Non-numbered. Severino. Jimenez. Jeremy Rhodes. Paul Goldschmidt. Schmitty. Christian Walker. Brandon Belt sliding for first, as he always is. All right, and we are on pack number 12, guys. Jason A. Pack number 12. Then we got a hot pack for Alan P. We still got one left in NT, guys. That one looks like it has the highest probability of breaking tonight. All right, here you go, Jason. Anthony Rizzo. Greinke. Soler. Adam Engelcrow. Luis Severino. Jimmy Reed. Marcos Molina. All right, and then we've got, hey, Marcos Molina, purple border there. Double aught 4 out of 250. Not bad. Not bad at all. And then check out this Addison Russell. Bowman Scouts, number 4, top 100. Trey Ball. Jorge Mateo. Johnny Cueto. Daniel Norris. And the Alex Cobb throwback finishing us off, guys. All right, that's one box of Bowman Jumbo. Thanks for buying it in that format. Saves me tons of sorting. Still costs me tons in shipping. Tons of cards in that Bowman. We got one more box of that. We'll see what we do with it. Thanks for hanging in there with me, guys. I'm going to go ahead and save this video, and I'll be right back with you. It's 101boxbreaks.com.